Hey everyone, Team McKnight here. Just want to give our personal feedback to the Belltech 26’s kit. So we have a 2008 Escalade ESV lowered on 26-inch rims. The tires we wrapped it in are 255/30 26's, and the main reason was I was worried about rubbing if I dropped it all the way down, and there was slight rub when I turned it all the way to the left. Otherwise it had a lovely camber, but obviously with the car being so low and the camber, I definitely felt the road when I was driving, which was expected, and then the tires did wear out fairly fast. I put them on the first week of April, and here she is right now looking lovely, right around 3.5 inches from the ground. For Escalade, that is gorgeous. But like I mentioned, because of the camber, which you'll see next, the tires did wear out fast. April they were put on. Last week of October, they were pretty much bald on the inside. So that was about 6 months of driving, and I only do about 10 to 15 miles per day, 5 days a week. If money's not a problem, hey, why not? But obviously, I don't got it like that. So the kit has 2 half-inch spacers per side, which is 4 spacers total. There's the inside of the tire after 6 months. Yeah. I decided to put 1 spacer per side on just to see the difference it would have, see if I was still satisfied, and obviously play it by ear. So once I put the spacer on, the camber was noticeably different. Tires straightened out a lot. The ride improved a lot more as well, and there's actually some space on the wheel well. Here's a before with no spacers all the way down. There's an after with 1 half-inch space. So obviously you can definitely tell a difference, and now with more space, I'm pretty sure next time I get tires, which will be fairly soon, I will do the 295 series. Definitely wider tire, and then we'll be able to fill out that wheel well a little bit as well, and then I will be satisfied. It should look beautiful. So yes, this is how it sits with no spacers, and then how it sits with 1 spacer. Overall, I am very pleased with the kit. When I do get my new tires, I'm also going to put on new sway bar links, tie rod ends, etc. And the kit also came with camber bushings I was not aware of. I'm going to install those, and hopefully I should have no camber at all. Here's how she looks with the half-inch spacer, about 5.5 inches. Again, this is an Escalade, ladies and gentlemen. That is a beautiful thing to be that low to the ground. And then the camber, I don't think I have any close-ups, but it definitely is a lot better. And there she sits with the half-inch spacers. So until next time, thank you guys for watching.